Alright, our first call of the day, and we are heading over to a condo complex where a lady has no air on a unit we put in about 5-6 years ago. And we are arriving on site. We will go and grab our tools and a screw gun out of the back of the van and waltz over to where these condensers are. Drain lines coming out of the ground, and there's the condensers there. 101. Well, it's probably this one right here. We got a fan running and no compressor running. We'll pull that panel off and check our capacitors. Alright, we're going to pull our panel off this thing and check our capacitor since the compressor's not coming on. So we'll yank that panel off and we will proceed to check that capacitor that's all rusty and looks like crap. And my guy's going to put a meter on that thing and see what we got. And what we come up with is about 3.5 on the compressor, which should be about 40. So that capacitor is shot. So we're going to pull that thing out and go get another one out of the van and get it installed. Alright, so we're going to go and put this new capacitor in. The new one's a little smaller in diameter, so you can fold this clamp. It's got another hole for the smaller capacitor. Don't be that guy that just lets it hang in there and flop around and then it'll short out on something. Secure the capacitor inside the unit, please. Just makes it easier on the next guy that's got to fix something. So we'll go in and hook up these wires, and then we'll start this unit up. And we will check the amp draws and compare them, make sure they are within spec. This is drawing about 7.5 amps, and full load run lamps 12 amps on there, so we're good. Another job well done.